Hi, this is Tim Cool with Smart Church Solutions, and we're going to spend some time together and just kind of looking at what do we need to do to get our facility ready for re-entering after COVID-19. We're suggesting that you have hand sanitizer on your counters, that you maybe even have them on the outside of the restroom doors as people are coming in because they have to push on the door. And there's also the freestanding sanitizer dispensers that you can put at your front doors and throughout your lobby. This is going to be gold for a while, and so we strongly suggest that you take advantage and get it out there for your people to use. So another option for opening doors, particularly in your restrooms, are these really neat little device that's a foot opener. It just bolts onto the back side of your door. People can use their shoe, they can open the door, they don't have to touch the handle. It is a much more sanitary way. And after you've left the restroom and washed your hands, this definitely is a great way to go, and it's fairly inexpensive. These things are less than $30 each. Okay, so I'm finished drying my hands, I've washed my hands, I'm leaving the restroom. Another option to do is to take your paper towel, use it to hold the door open the door, and then add trash cans right here next to the door. So you just throw it away and move on.